Most people are using Luma AI wrong. They throw in random prompts, get average results, and move on. But what if I told you, with the right tricks, you can make Luma produce cinematic level shots that look like they came from a high end VFX studio? And in this video, I'll show you 5 powerful prompts and pro tips to unlock full potential of Luma. So, before we jump into prompts, here's the thing: Luma AI is not just generating images, it's simulating 3D reality. Every frame it creates understands the depth, lighting, and motion. That's why it feels more alive than any text to video model we have had so far. So if you learn to talk it like a director but a user, you will instantly stand out. So I have got pretty much some prompts. Let's see. Waiting for your turn. Although it takes a few minutes to generate the video, but that's okay since it's totally free, obviously, right now. Also, it has a paid version and with $8 a month. Yeah, okay, it's yearly billing. You can save 20% on yearly billing. You'll get 3200 monthly credits, full rate 3 access, 4K, high priority processing, no watermark. Okay, with this you will get watermark. But if you want to get no watermark, you'll have to buy this one, which is 288 per year, 10,000 credits per month. Rate 3 4K with HDR high priority. Commercial use allowed, no watermark. And these are the monthly billings. And as you already know, I always try to make videos on the free version because. So let's see the video. It's actually great, to be honest. Yeah, I liked it. It shocked me, to be honest. It shows Luma AI's realism and depth, perfect for testing texture blending, atmosphere, lighting, and motion smoothness, which we already saw. Let's try another one. Yeah. Let's see the video. The cinematic lighting, the golden hour, everything's okay, but why this character looks like it's made of aluminum? I don't know, but it's actually very realistic, and it demonstrates the physics in material realism and how Luma handles dynamic motion reflections. Nice. Let's see the video. Wait. It has some glitch. No, it was actually smooth. I thought it has some glitch. But where is sound? It's still not generating any sound. I like the camera motion of this. Now let's see a cinematic zoom. How it can handle it. Let's see the video. Actually, Luma knows what's cinematic lighting actually is. I mean, how it's giving so great color grading, lighting at the same time. Wait. What was it? What? So, that was your Luma 2025 AI. Not just how to use it, but how to direct it. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like so the algorithm knows this kind of content matters. And if you want me to test your custom prompts in the next video, drop them in the comments. Let's push AI visuals to the next level.